Hello everybody and welcome to the video. For this video, we are going to be using some direct to film, which is DTF, and making 3 different designs on 3 shirts and 1 sweater. The shirts and sweater are 100% cotton. This material or this product has given a whole new life to my cotton shirts. I would buy cotton shirts and only strictly put vinyl on my cotton shirts. But with this stuff, I'm able to sublimate my cotton shirts and it works great. The feel is awesome. I love the way it feels. It's not thick, like it doesn't have that vinyl feel, but it's got a little bit of a soft feel to it. It's a very nice texture, very comfortable to wear. I absolutely love this DTF product. I am using it with a sublimation printer with sublimation ink. You can use a DTF printer and DTF ink with DTF transfer sheets and the powder, but DTF ink comes with white, so you have a little more flexibility with darker colors there. But you can the point is you can sublimate on cotton with DTF, transfer film powder, with your sublimation ink, and it works great. The setting I use on my printer is I use glossy paper, the glossy paper setting. It's the setting I use when I put my glossy sticker paper through the printer. It's got a smoother surface, and the ink kind of sits on the top. With the direct to film, the ink sits on the top of this material. It doesn't soak into the paper and it rubs easy. So I don't get no smearing as it's printing through the printer. Instead of using presentation paper like I do for sublimation projects, I use my glossy paper setting, and it seems to work a whole lot better for my printer. So it's important to know that once you've printed out the designs on the direct-to-film paper, you have to put the powder on it, and then you have to set it in a warmer or under a heat press I set mine for 60 seconds at 380 degrees. The powder and the ink do this. It has a chemical reaction which allows you to be able to put your design on the cotton shirt. Now you can use polyester shirts if you prefer, but I like this hack because it allows me to sublimate on cotton. That is why I tried it, and I absolutely just fell in love with using DTF products to making shirts. And for these designs, I have done 3 Halloween designs, Halloween themed designs. We have a serial killer, a skull being used as a bowl for cereal. And we have I'm Too Old for This sheet. Very cute design. And we have a skeleton with a pumpkin head surrounded by bats. Very spooky, cool design there. I want you guys to let me know which design you like the best and how you think these shirts turned out and the sweater. which one's your favorite, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Have an awesome day, everybody.